Hello everyone and welcome in a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you the progress of the brand new 747. Well, to start I made a little bit of progress like the wing box. The wing box is extremely important for a LEGO plane project because it's the base from everything and it has to keep up the wings. So this time am I going to angle the wings up so they're going slightly up. But I also created the technique I'm going to use. So I'll start with this one. This one is for the main roof. So I'm going to use a little bit different than my previous technique, but pretty similar. And yeah, it's also going to be a cargo plane, by the way, because the most of you wanted a cargo plane. There were a few that asked for a passenger plane, but it's going to be a cargo plane of Cargolux. And yeah, but this is actually making some little progress. I'm start collecting the pieces like the plates to actually build the plane because they are really important, and we will see how it's going. And yeah, but I decided to start with progress. I take the detailed pictures of these of this plate. I'm also coming to the point that I will have to separate this plane completely, and it's going to be a little work, so that's going to be weaker. There's going to be not so much progress, obviously, but yeah. Also about this, as you probably already know, the 747 is a plane with two floors. So you have the normal, you have the down floor and the up floor with just a little hump, not really big. But this is going to be for the hump, so if you compare it with those, it's a little bit higher, and yeah, just like a 747 have to be. For the bottom, you just have to copy. I'm going to copy this roof under it. It's going to look kind of these, but just without this thing, more like this. So it's going to look kind of like this, and yeah, I think it's going to look amazing, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be a cargo version, that it's not gonna have interior, and it's going to be awesome. So this is a point where I'm going to disconnect the nose from the wings so I can transport it really easily. And then you have here a little area. Well, this is going to be the point from the nose that will go open for loading cargo and stuff. There is also another cargo door in the cargo version of the plane, and that's on the left of the plane. I think somewhere here. Yeah, so I'm gonna bring in that plane. I'm also thinking about doing a flap here and a flap right here because it would be cool and more detailed. It's going to be a little bit harder. Yeah, the engines will be entirely new. You see there are the old engines. I decided to keep them as a kind of small memory, and yeah, I just want something to make me think back about the old plane. And I don't really need the pieces of these engines for the new plane. They are kind of useless. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep them for the memories. And also I will try to make a kind of disconnect between the two flaps to make it really easy to transport the plane, because it's really important. So yeah, as you can see, I will separate a little bit of that wall, just for seeing a little bit and that stuff. But now I'm going really separating this plane. I'm going to use a lot of pieces from this plane, hopefully. I'm not gonna use them all because some of them are useless, like the dark gray pieces. I'll show a picture of the Cargolux because that will make you see how the plane is going to look, and that's showing you that the dark gray pieces and the red pieces are going to be kind of useless, and probably the most of these windows too, because it's going to be a cargo version, and the cargo version doesn't have windows. Also, something what I wanted to tell you is obviously I'm going to compare a lot with this plane for my channel. So yeah, But I made a mistake in this wing box and I will fix it, because when you remove this pillar, you'll see that the wing goes a little bit down. I don't have it at the right side, so yeah, you can see the difference. It's a little bit much. So I'm also thinking about how I can make this wing box possible stronger than it already is. Just, it's really important that wings keep up, and because the 747 is an awesome model, and I really want that it's going to look awesome in my Lego model. And yeah, but I think that's all for now, and I'll talk about some other things in another video. And yeah, bye for this video, and then will I see you in the next video. Please consider subscribing. I'm really need those subscribers, and yeah, thanks for all my subscribers already. Please like this video, and then will I see you in the next time. Bye.